Hello, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to extend the default post sharing element on Bricks, so we can add a custom icon for each social media, and we're gonna add a Telegram sharing function to this element. The first step is I'm gonna disable this element and create new element, new social sharing element, and you can read how to exclude element from Bricks by following this tutorial. This is simple one, I think. This is good. Just copy this code and add to your function. I'm gonna add here. Oops, I'm gonna add here. Let's add some comment tag. Disable element. And we're gonna change this element to social sharing. Where is this social sharing or post sharing? Social icon, post sharing here. Just copy this. Oops. And paste it and save, and let's see. On our builder, okay, element post sharing doesn't exist. I'm gonna delete our element because right now it has completely disabled, and we're gonna add a new element by first is let's create a file, and you can name it whatever you like. I'm gonna name it to new social sharing.php. Okay, and we're gonna copy all the content from the default post sharing element in Bricks. Wait, where is the post sharing? Here. You can find the post sharing PHP file on your Bricks main theme folder, parent theme folder. It exists on Bricks folder includes element, and there is post sharing.php, and just copy all code and paste it into our new file, something like this. And we're gonna change our class name, not class name, our class here. Let's name it to new social sharing, post sharing element. We're gonna leave it default. Okay, let's change. Let's save, and let's include this file, so the Bricks builder can initiate our new file so it can show up on the builder by using this. So just copy here. Don't forget to create your function code on a temp child. Do not use a temp parent folder, just use a temp child folder element, and we're gonna add new social sharing PHP, new social sharing PHP. Let's save and let's reload our builder. And let's search social sharing. Now we have a new social sharing element, but with its default control, and there is no Telegram yet. So let's the first thing is, let's see how our new element code. Here we have a field with service, and it has option Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Pinterest, email, and we're gonna add a Telegram. So just copy one of these option and change it to Telegram, and just copy the second on default service, Telegram, and scroll down to the bottom and you will see another code that you need to copy. So from here to this copy and change this to Telegram, change class to Telegram, so we can add new CSS on this element. Change it to Telegram. So just leave it for the icon. Let's do this thing later. So we're going to change the URL of the sharing platform. We're gonna head to the Telegram website and we're gonna see the structure of URL that we need to put on our Telegram service URL here. So we're gonna change this URL to our URL, and we're gonna change this text to our let's say our post title or page title or product title, whatever you like. Or you can change this to some maybe excerpt, post excerpt, or yeah, whatever you like. I said just copy this and we're gonna change this, replace this with our Telegram sharing URL. Okay, and we're gonna change the URL with this, and we're gonna change the text with the post title here. Share on Telegram. Something, I did something wrong. The URL tooltip No, no, I did something wrong. What is that? Text URL. Wait, I need to open my magic book because I always forget what I did last night. So just take a look here. Where is the magic? Wait. Oh, I have this another double quote and comma. So you need to carefully when you copy and paste code. So let's save it and let's see the result on our builder. Let's reload. And let's check our social Telegram. Yeah, we have a new option for a service, which is a Telegram. But since it doesn't, we have not yet create our custom CSS style for this icon. So the icon will have a white background, I think. Maybe we can change our background to maybe like here the last one. Oops, I need to. Okay, here we have a share on Pinterest, we have share in email, and the last is we have a share on Telegram, which has a Pinterest icon which we can edit later. So let's click this, and this is working, I think. And now I'm gonna add option so I can have I can choose the icon, the custom icon for each the service of social sharing icon. So the first thing is we're gonna scroll up, and here we're gonna add a new option, a new field, and name it to maybe icon. Yes, why icon? And I close up, close the tag here, and let's copy this label, change this to icon, and we're gonna add icon label, icon type. Okay, we're gonna copy this to this type, change to icon, and let's see the bricks icon control on the bricks builder. Documentation, control the developer text. Where is the icon? Slider query info, icon control here. Yeah. So you can actually you can copy all this thing, but I have write this to these two line, label and type. I'm gonna copy this 1 2 3 4 and we're gonna, and sorry, that was my father. I'm gonna paste the code to here. So we have default and this is a selector, and save it. And let's see the builder. Just reload. Click on social sharing, and we have an icon control on each of the service icon. But this is not this is not working yet. You're gonna add some code. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one. I need to find the code to render the icon element. Actually, you can see or you can browse the bricks documentation page, but I like to explore the other element in which using icon and see if we can use the code from its element and we can apply, so we can apply on our new element. So we have icon here we're gonna render our new icon element, new icon controls, I'm sorry, by using this code. It exists on an icon PHP file on the bricks parent theme. So since the icon field is inside, since the icon control is inside the field, inside the control item, we're gonna paste the code to render the icon inside this for each code. Just save, and here we have the icon what's called icon field or icon option. Let's say icon option. So you can see that the default element of social sharing, it has only one icon SVG right here, SVG file. But we're gonna change this line, this code, so we can use the icon that we choose on the control icon. Since we have this line, with this code, let's just copy this icon to this, like something like this. And we're gonna change all for each a social sharing down below. And we're gonna pass it, and last is for email, change it. And let's save and see the result. See, our icon now is blank because we have not set our icon, new icon. Let's search the Facebook. Let's search the wait, why the icon is not show up? There's something strange. Let's see our code first. Oh, here this setting, since the icon is not control, is not the main control, is the field inside the wait, what I'm sorry, here since the icon is not a main control, here the main control is item, and inside the main control or a control group, if I'm not mistaken, we have an icon in those sub control. So we're gonna change this setting. We're gonna change this setting to item. Here we have these items as a control. Here is a control, and inside the control item we have the icon. So we need to change this settings to item, and change this setting to item, and let's see the result. Let's change. Alright, now our icon is show up as it should be, and let's just print color, change the background color, something like this. We're gonna change the Twitter the Twitter icon to something like this. We change the LinkedIn. something like this. I love the box icon. I'm good, so I will use box for each icon, right, like this. I'm gonna change the Pinterest here, and I'm gonna change the email. Yeah, why there is no envelope? Because it's not brand envelope or something like this. And we're gonna change the Telegram to this, and let's see the result. All right, now the last thing is we add some CSS style, because the Telegram here, there is no a class Telegram on the Bricks default CSS. Sharing a background color far, so we're gonna post sharing brand colors email, so we're gonna maybe add some default CSS here. You can I can change it to root, change it to Instagram, Telegram, and here the background has changed, and we're gonna add a blue color here. I'm gonna change this to here. All right, that's looking better. Let's okay, 18, right? And let's reload the page. Okay, we have a new Telegram share on our new element social sharing here. And there you go. I'm sorry I cannot explain better because I'm not really good with PHP. I'm not really good with explaining something to you, especially in English, because it's not my main language. But I'm happy to learn with you by using the video. And if you have something to ask or some question to ask for me, or maybe some suggestion about the next video, you can write on the comment box below, and I will happy to reply all of that. So thank you for watching, and happy coding.